Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out this double-side art fun age 3 plus. Really good company, got good reviews on Amazon, come in multiple different colors for boys and girls, and it shows you right here. All you gotta do is just put it together, which is very easy and simple stuff. Unbox real quick, see what's inside. We said we got many different colors. We're gonna take every single thing out. So these are how it comes right now, and it looks in the box. We just gotta put everything together. You don't need any tools. Here it is. It's gorgeous, beautiful, really nice material, good quality. We try to match the picture. So here you got a holder for putting your cups. The cups could come out. You have your eraser and stuff, dry eraser marker. You could draw whatever you want. Also, these are all magnetic colors. Very nice. You got everything here, and this whole thing's turned like upside down, so you could flip it around, and when you flip it around, it will be like this. So you have all your numbers and letters and everything, and then you got extra space to store stuff right here. It's amazing. Plus the legs, this is an extendable legs. They also have the shorter one, the little one that could come lower for the toddlers if they're smaller, and as they get older you could put the extended one to go up. But I'm gonna show you how my daughter's gonna draw here, but so far it's amazing. Go ahead, mama. Grace loves to draw, and this is an amazing stuff that she likes. It comes in all 4 different colors for boys and girls. It's a great idea for a gift. You could do this outdoor, you could do this indoor, you could do it wherever you want. Here she's drawing and then using the eraser to clean it off, which is very easily. I love it. I love this idea of the 2-side, double-side board, so they're not going to be bored and they could do a lot of stuff. But incredible. Listen, this is a great way to keep the kids busy, very busy and entertained, plus they're learning. Beautiful. So you could draw and color and do anything you want. It's amazing. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and details.